Hello, I'm in a 2012 Toyota Prius C, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface here. So first we'll start the vehicle, which is now on, which you can tell because it's got the ready. And then we'll turn the radio on. And then this is the factory display. You might have an aftermarket here, obviously different process. But from here we'll go to setup, and then we'll scroll till we see Bluetooth and select that. And there's a limited number of phones you can have, so you might need to go to list phone first and delete a phone first. So we'll select that one, delete, select that, hit yes, and then it takes just a moment and it'll delete. All right, now we know there's at least one spot cleared, so we'll go back to the Bluetooth, select that, Bluetooth pairing, select that again, and then from your device, make sure it's on, and this blue here is your Bluetooth, make sure that's on. Usually if you press and hold it, it'll open your pairing menu. So we'll pair now, and then as it says here, we're looking for car audio, which here's our car audio. Sometimes this takes a few tries. You can sync your call history, contacts if you want. That way it's easier to take calls through the car, but it says it's active. Sometimes this takes a few tries, might need to restart your phone or the car. And it looks like we're good. So now we should be able to play music and things from here to here. But I hope that's helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.